Hello and welcome at TerraIndex. In this video we will see how to manage licenses. In order to use the TerraIndex app on a tablet, you need a license. These licenses can be managed in TerraIndex Web. This is done with the License Manager that you'll find again in the menu at the top right corner of the page. In the License Manager, you can add, block and delete devices. Note that in TerraIndex app, each license is coupled to a specific device. At the top of the overview, you'll find the contracted amount. That is the total amount of licenses you subscribed to. Below, you see all the devices that have a license. You can thus authorize as many devices as licenses you have. If you have spare licenses, that is, if you have more licenses than registered devices, you can assign these licenses to new devices. This is done very easily by installing the app on a tablet, logging in with your username, and letting it synchronize once. It will then automatically be assigned to one of the free licenses. Are all the licenses taken? And do you want to replace a device? Or is one of your devices broken and do you want to use another one? Then you can remove devices from the license list. To do this, select the licenses you want to remove by checking the boxes in the first column and click on Delete at the bottom right of the screen. Before finalizing the procedure, you'll get prompted for confirmation and be informed that the deleted devices will remain blocked for 30 days. This means that you won't be able to reassign a license to these devices for 30 days. When you click on Yes, the devices are removed from the list and at the very bottom of the page you can find a list of all the blocked devices. Now that you have freed up a license, you can add a new device by downloading the app, logging in and synchronizing. The new device will thus get one of the free licenses automatically. This is an example for when you want to replace a device. But it might also happen that one of your devices is defective, and you only want to move the license temporarily. In that case, you can block the defective device and add the new one temporarily in the same way. Now let's assume that the defective device is repaired within 30 days. You can then contact the service desk and we'll make sure to unblock the device so you can go back to using it. Note that there is a particularity for iPad users. The license is coupled to the serial number of the device. The issue here is that Apple generates a new serial number every time the app is reinstalled. This means that if the app is reinstalled on an iPad, you need to remove it from the list of authorized devices in the License Manager and then synchronize it again to assign it to the free license. So, how can you easily determine which devices to remove? In the rightmost columns, you'll find the username and date at which it was last synchronized. Here, in this case, the user Nico synchronized the device with the serial number on the 23rd of October 2019 at 16:43. This allows you to easily find devices that haven't been used in a long time, as these could then be good candidates to be removed and free up licenses for your new devices. And that is how you can manage all your licenses and devices in TerraIndex. In the next video, we will see how to work with Borlog templates. Thanks for watching, until next time.